Hi, I'm Brad Kuthan, editor of Metal Forming Magazine. This is Explore the Floor at FABTECH 2013. I'm here with Dave Laws from Dallas Industries. Dave, what are you going to show us this week at FABTECH 2013?
Well, Brad, we've got two live machines on the floor here. One is a feeder straightener that will be demonstrating our Profile Select feed software that gives the stamper multiple methods of indexing and motion profiles on getting the material in the proper position of the press for different applications. The other machine we have is a zigzag feeder that allows for 1, 2, or 3 out zigzag profiling or movements for scrap savings for circle blanking. First, I'd like to show you our traditional standard feed profile, which is the motion profile that stampers have been using with their servo feeds for many, many years. What the standard feed profile does is basically it accelerates the material to a certain speed as demanded by the operator, planes out, and then decelerates to complete the feed length. So basically what the operator does is he just enters the feed length and a percentage of speed, and it'll make the index move. We use a full color touchscreen, and all the operator basically has to do to make a job is enter the length and a percentage speed, and the feed will go ahead and index according to those parameters once the job has been downloaded. What I'm now demonstrating is a standard motion profile. In a standard motion profile, the servo motor accelerates to the speed as commanded from the job setup, planes out, and then decelerates to a stop to make a feed length. We are now going to show you the same job. The only thing I've done is switch the job over to a Profile Select motion profile, which indexes the material in a sinusoidal feed move, taking full advantage of the feed window area provided. The graph is now showing a sinusoidal feed move, indexing the same stroke length in a strip motion profile into your press. You can see that it smooths out all the corners, and you have less stress on the material and the machine mechanics in making the move. I have now just actuated the new feature for the Profile Select programming that allows for automatic speed compensation, where you can ramp up your press speed to get faster production. And basically what will happen is as the press runs faster, the feed will automatically increase feed rate to keep up with the faster requirement of the press. So you can get more, if everything's running well, you can get more production out of the press on the same part by ramping up the speed. We are also displaying a zigzag feed. This Dallas zigzag feed was designed for higher speed operation. It has a high precision cross width assembly for faster speeds and faster motion. It's also designed with lightweight componentry so that you have less inertia when you're making the moves. The Dallas zigzag feed will make 1 or 2 or 3 out patterns. It also has an automatic help screen where you can just enter the diameter of the circle blank you're wanting to run and select either a 2 out or 3 out mode, and it'll automatically download a job for you to show you where the feed is going to make those movements to produce the part. On behalf of the Dallas team, I want to invite you all to visit us at booth S4415 and have a great show.